Have you ever wondered how people judge you online? In today's digital world, first impressions happen faster than ever. From Zoom calls to social media profiles, our online presence shapes how others see us. Person perception refers to the way we interpret information about others. Online environments distort the nonverbal cues we rely on in person. Yet, we still create quick impressions that carry weight. In this video, we'll explore person perception in social media and video conferencing. Let's dive into social media profiles. Each platform is a digital self-presentation. Your profile photo plays a significant role. Smiling or serious, close-up or full body, these choices affect impressions of warmth and competence. Did you know that just a quick glimpse of a face can influence trustworthiness? Next, consider the content you post. The topics and tone reveal your values and emotional stability. People sharing mostly positive content may seem agreeable, but could appear less authentic. Now, think about your online network. Who you follow and who follows you shapes others' perceptions. Your friends and interactions provide social information that often influences status. Surprisingly, impressions on social media can be accurate for some traits, like extroversion. However, users often curate their profiles, leading to a polished version of themselves that might differ from reality. Now, let's switch over to video conferencing platforms like Zoom and Teams. The pandemic shifted much of our interactions online, bringing new person perception challenges. Video calls restrict what others see, limiting body language. You often only display your head and shoulders, obscuring critical nonverbal cues. Plus, eye contact is tricky. Many cameras aren't at eye level, distorting the visual experience. Experiencing Zoom fatigue? Sustained video interactions require mental effort. You must consciously process cues that are natural face-to-face. Fatigue can muddle your accuracy, pushing you to rely more on stereotypes. Virtual backgrounds and filters also change the narrative. A well-arranged background can signal professionalism. Yet, a messy room might suggest informality. Filters can mask true emotions, complicating honest communication. For social workers, online therapy presents unique adjustments. They can enhance interactions by asking clients to optimize lighting and camera angles. Checking in on emotional states explicitly helps bridge the gap left by missing cues. Finally, let's address the concept of algorithmic person perception. AI technology analyzes digital traces to predict personality traits. Algorithms can derive insights from social media activities and even facial expressions. However, the ethical implications are significant. These tools can be used without consent and may produce inaccuracies. It's crucial for professionals to advocate for transparency and responsible use of such technology. In summary, person perception online is complex yet fascinating. Social media profiles, video conferencing, and AI will shape how we understand each other. Recognizing these dynamics can help us communicate better in digital spaces. Take a moment to reflect on your online presence. How do your choices affect how others perceive you? If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and share it. Let's navigate this digital landscape together.